paint with dreams, a cosmic renaissance forged in fire.